I'll show you some of example of traffic distribution now. So let's disable this thread group and let's add one thread group, new group, and name it as traffic distribution. Okay. Let me add it under here. Thread group, traffic distribution. Because it requires 3 or more requests, that's why I'm adding a different thread group. So you can name it this. Now let's say I have 3 samplers. Request 1, I name it as, let's say, R1, and copy paste 2 more. This becomes R2. This becomes R3. Okay. Uh, let's add a common request default. This is HTTP. We could add server name as, let's say, testautomasi.com. Path. So let's say the first one is login. Okay. For request default, you can leave it as empty, but the first request becomes login. Second request becomes profile. And third request becomes search. Okay. Traffic distribution, request defaults, or you can say common spec. You can name it common spec. This is request default, protocol HTTPS, server URL, this one. Okay. Then 3 requests you can copy paste one by one, and then name it like login is this. Name is login. Then profile, and then search. So what I will do, I will show you how we can distribute traffic in a way that 20% goes, sorry, 60% goes in login, 30% goes to profile, and 10% traffic goes to search. Okay. So we'll try to do that. Out of 10 threads, 6 threads will go to login, 3 threads will go to profile, and 1 thread will go to 631, means 60, 30, 10. We'll try to distribute now. Okay, so let's try that. And so traffic distribution you can do using throughput controller. Okay, throughput controller. So you can add controller, throughput controller. Okay, you can see this is a percentage execution. It says throughput controller percentage execution. There are ways like total execution percentage. So we'll try to do the percentage control, percentage traffic distribution. So we can say 60%, right? We have to create 3 controller, 60, 30, and 10. Okay, 60, 30, 10. You can add 3 controller, 2 put controller. Okay, 60, 30, 10. Name it 60, 30, 10. And now under that you can put these values. So 60 is login, 30 is profile, and 10 is search. So now it would actually run the traffic distribution based on our requirement. So we need to change it 60%, change it to 60. 30%, change it to 30. And 10%, change it to 10. And now you can change it to 10 and 10. So I'm not showing you what would be the result, etc., because we already discussed that in API automation. I'm just saying if you need to distribute traffic, how can you do that? Okay. So I would add a, let's say, listener called summary report so that we can see the distribution of samples here. And so 60, 30, 10. So you would see that the 6 requests will be made on login, 3 requests will be made on profile, and 1 request will be made on search. So if I run this now, hopefully everything is disabled. Yeah. Clear everything and run. Yeah. So we would see something once everything is done. The login request would be hit in 6 times, profile 3 times, search once. Okay. You can see the search is once, login 3 times, profile. If I enable this also, it would be much clearer. So login 6, profile 3, search 1. See, so it runs based on the distribution which we gave. So that's how you can configure it.